Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and read salary information on Glassdoor. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser you prefer and search for Glassdoor. So go ahead and click on the first link and make sure that you are logged in into your account. So there are two ways that you can go ahead and get salary information. The first one being just clicking on this salary tab on the top right over here and searching your job title right over here. So for example, I would say remote work, just like that, and click on location. So and simply go ahead and search for locations and click on search. Only once you've done that, as you can see, total pay range and everything is going to be shown right over here. So that is about it. But if you want to go ahead and look for it in particular companies, let me just go ahead and show you how you can do that. So if I go ahead and search for remote worker or remote work from home and USA and simply go ahead and click on search, it's going to search for all the jobs that are hiring right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and see how much they're paying. So 5k to 7k employer provided, 6k a month. There are a lot more as well. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.